Peaches, open up. I know he's in here. You know we gotta fight. It's inevitable.
Right, Teeth. He might use big words.
Do not let him in.
What happened to you? You're afraid?
Me not afraid, you know. Right now, my stomach a hot me. Me not feel good. It feel like me want do.
You're afraid.
You guys are taking too long. I'm just gonna use instant transmission.
Bombard!
Okay, I'm in. You ready to do this?
Yo, why for that talk there? Anyway, we fight. Me want you at your fullest power.
Full power, huh? Okay, you asked for it.
Why again? Just hurry up and know you the man. Shut up. You make too much blasted noise.
It's me, Quagmire. I'm in town, baby. I wonder if we could giggity, 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 giggity.